If you own a Ford Explorer, you're going to want to listen to this story. There's a federal investigation into possible carbon monoxide leaks. This affects 1.3 million Explorers made between 2011 and 2017. And Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is looking into this story for us. Lance, this has also impacted our law enforcement officers here in Colorado.
It is. The Colorado State Patrol told me that one of their Explorers, and they have a fleet of 16, one of them had an exhaust leak. I am told the driver never got sick. The problem's been fixed. But Explorers are among the most popular SUVs in the U.S. There are many on Colorado roadways.
I purchased my first one 13 years ago. I owned it for 10 years.
Dave Strong has been leasing this 2014 Explorer for 3 years and plans to buy it at the end of the month.
I'm very happy with it.
He's not worried about the government's investigation into more than 2,000 complaints about exhaust odors seeping into passenger compartments. In Austin, Texas, carbon monoxide detectors were installed on 400 police department Explorers, 60 of them activated. In California, the officer driving this police SUV claims he was overcome by carbon monoxide when he lost consciousness and crashed. You can see him go over the median, crossing multiple lanes, then crashing into a tree.
This is a situation that Ford Motor Company instinctively would want to get ahead of and get a resolve, because the Explorer is such an important vehicle for Ford.
The president of the Colorado Automobile Dealers Association says Ford is trying to get to the bottom of this. They don't know yet if it's a factory or aftermarket issue. I asked, what types of aftermarket modifications could compromise cars?
Just the screw holes, if there's any kind of an exhaust leak, that could cause exhaust to get into the car when it wouldn't normally.
Mr. Strong says he drives to the Midwest and to the mountains quite a bit and has never smelled exhaust inside his Explorer.
If I'm driving back to Iowa in the wintertime when the windows were up for 10 hours, I would notice it. Like I said, I'm a heating contractor, and I would notice that.
Now, we just heard back from Aurora Police. They told me that they have 1 or 2 Explorers with issues that have been taken care of. None of the other law enforcement agencies I've spoken with have reported any problems. If you have a 2011 to 2017 Ford Explorer and have concerns about it, contact the dealer, pay attention, and be on the lookout for any Ford alerts. Reporting live in downtown Denver, Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.